Everybody did a really nice job meeting the deadline. That's wonderful. You to be congratulated. And I have a question. You know, the whole point of doing a research report is to make a claim and then do your research to back up your claim and basically prove your point. And I'd like to ask the question, how could we create a different kind of a document to prove a point? Go ahead, Heather.
Like a PowerPoint?
A PowerPoint would do it, right? It's very similar to a research paper, it's just not so much text. Good. There are lots of other things you could do, and lots of people would see it. Yeah. Excellent idea. What else? There's probably 1,000 different ways we could prove our point.
You could make a movie.
A movie? Ooh. Like a fictional movie?
Thinking out loud. Kind of both. Like historical fiction? Yeah, kind of like historical fiction, but not so historical.
And how would we prove our point? By doing a fictional movie. Can you think of an example? I know I'm kind of putting you on the spot because you haven't thought about it too much.
Airplane.
A movie about an airplane?
Yeah.
Some good things in the bathroom.
I don't know what's going on with the show, like the caution, like the plane getting on the airplane.
Yeah, in a fictional movie you could present, you know, pros and cons to whatever issue you're, you know, presenting in the movie, for sure. If it, you mentioned a fictional movie, what about a non-fiction? Very fact-filled, yeah. Be all facts, hopefully, right?
Yeah, like normal things, like a history, like hour-long history.
Okay.
And if you're drawing,
yeah. What do you call those long things with all those facts?
Autobiography? No, I can't think of the name.
Well, it could be a biography, but do you know what we call those movies that are
Documentaries.
documentaries? Yeah.
Heather said that.
Okay, that's because Heather's smart.
Yeah.
I just didn't hear her. Oh, Nancy's just as smart.
No, I didn't.
You think of anything else? Yes.
You could like make a public speech about it.
Oh yeah, speech.
Oh yeah.
For sure. And that is very effective because then you're talking to the people who need to hear it.
Nicole could write a book. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you could write a book. That'd be like a huge research report.
Yeah, right. Yeah, he's talking about 300. That 2-page thing was hard enough.
Yeah. I told you before I don't like the note cards, but you know that may be your style. You might want to use that method, and that's kind of why we touched on it in class. But we used the big chart with the our research questions across the top, and then it kind of organized all our information according to which source you used for your information. How did that work for you? How would you evaluate that system? Did it work for you, not work for you? A little more.
I liked it because like all your stuff was more organized. You didn't have to like look through a bunch of different like things to find what you had.
Okay, excellent. That was my hope. Nicole.
I didn't really like it because I didn't find a lot of answers to some of my questions, but definitely some of my questions were that great.
Okay.
But yeah, it was okay. I liked it, but I didn't like it.
So you didn't like, you're saying in part your questions were kind of a problem?
Trying to figure out questions fast.
Yeah. What could we do, because I'm sure everybody in the room had that same situation, what could we do to fix that situation? What did you do to solve that? You didn't like your question, what did you do to fix that?
At first I tried changing the questions.
Uh-huh.
And then after that I just sort of, whatever info that is related to each other, I just sort of group those together.
Okay. So instead of using questions, then you started using like categories and organizing your information by just like a key word?
Not really the word more like in the word in class.
Okay. Topics. Okay. Anybody else that you? And that's okay. This is part of becoming a good writer, is finding the style that works best for you. Everybody in here has a different style, so you have to kind of flex and find your own method. Nancy, what were you going to say?
I liked it because it made me see that I had more room to write my stuff than you would have had on a little note card.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they made it so that if I need more room, I could have just gone to the back.
Yeah, that was part of the nice part of the physical advantage of using that big sheet of paper, because you had the whole backside.
And you didn't need to write all the questions individually.
Yeah, over and over and over again. Yeah, that's nice. Anybody else got a criticism of the chart system that we use?
I thought it was good.
Work for you?
Yeah.
Have you ever used a system like that before?
Nope.
When you're
Not really.
7th grade or 6th grade?
Nope, it's not fun.